Hello, neighbors. Today is the day. I'm officially locking in my TBR for the sound of May. I told you my musical taste was all over the map, and looking at this stack of books, I think I've proven it. We are going from 19th century Vienna to the Atlanta rap scene and everywhere in between. First up, I'm diving into My Song by Harry Belafonte. He was such a powerhouse, not just in music, but in activism as well. And I've been wanting to spend some time with this story for a while. Then, for something a bit more cerebral, I have Beethoven, His Spiritual Development by J.W.N. Sullivan. This book caught my eye at a thrift store. I'd never heard of it before. I expect that this isn't just a list of dates and compositions, and it's more about the spiritual life of a genius. I think it's going to be a deep, thoughtful read, and I'm ready for it. Switching gears to something a bit more contemporary, I'm reading The Bedsit Disco Queen by Tracy Thorn. I love a good insider look at the indie pop world. And for the classic rock fans out there, I've got Brothers and Sisters by Alan Paul. This focuses on the Allman Brothers band during the era of that iconic 70s sound. This is going to end up being a reread for me because I want to read another book that's loosely related to this. So, what else do we have? I'm also picking up the autobiography of Gucci Man for the second time. His newest book episodes should be landing in my Libby app in May. Gucci's comeback story is fascinating and inspiring, so I'm excited to reread his autobiography and then compare it to episodes. Gucci Man's books will be the start of my rap music reading project / hip-hop reading project that I mentioned in my previous reading projects video. And finally, because sometimes you just need a little mystery, I think I'm going to add Public Secrets by Nora Roberts. Since the protagonist is a world-famous rock star's daughter, it loosely fits the Sound of May theme, and it's going to give me a little nip of fiction that I think I'll need to balance out my reads. So, I guess the next question to cover is, have I found Aretha? My copy of Respect by David Ritz is still currently unidentified in the archives of my shelf. It's not officially on the TBR yet because I can't hold it in my hands, but if it pops out from a bookshelf this month, it's getting added immediately. So, at any rate, that's the 6 books that I'm going to kick off the Sound of May with, hopefully. It's a lot, but the variety is going to keep me moving. Let me know in the comments, what are you reading for the challenge? Are you sticking to one genre, or is your stack as chaotic as mine? Let me know, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.